Kamusta lang. Going to the draft, may expectations pa sa'yo for you where you will land?
Ako naman, ini-enjoy ko lang naman po siya. Like, yun na, parang, kumbaga, I was talking with my parents, kumbaga, like, whoever picks us naman, we'll be happy to play for that team. And, kumbaga, like, siguro maasahan lang nila na we'll be committed to it. Like yun lang naman masasabi namin. No preference naman forever, but like, once you draft me, like, we can assure that we'll be committed for playing for that team.
Do you possibly you'll bang bodies with the likes of Number Fajardo and the other, yung mga malalaki talaga? Any thoughts lang doon sa young player?
So that's something you look forward to. You know, you're going to be playing against veterans talaga. Like you're playing like Kelly Williams, ganyan. That's something that you look forward to. That's something that you don't shy away from. And siguro for me, like, ngayon na we're just entering PBA. There's so much for us to learn. But at the same time, syempre, you want to be able to makipagsabay ka sa mga players like that. So, yeah, parang something to look forward to.
Gio, balikan ko lang yung sa decision to apply for this year's draft. What's the thought process behind that?
Siguro yung family namin, we were just weighing the pros and cons of it. And parang mas gusto ko rin masama yung family ko eh. So, nawala ako for like a year. Parang ang tagal eh. So, parang now na may opportunity na ganito, like, yes, thanks na lang.
Talking about those overseas stints and especially kahit dun din sa FPBL, how does that prepare you for the PBA?
Sobrang grateful ako sa MPBL kasi yung team namin, sila coach yung mga teammates ko. Kaya tinutulungan talaga nila akong maging confident eh. Kung parang they have their full trust in me. So yun na, laking part ko sa being confident and hopefully madala natin sa team.
Gio, yung size mo, particularly sa luxury in the PBA, that makes you one of the prospects for the #1 pick. Is that something you think about, or yung pagiging #1 pick, was that a dream of yours growing up?
I mean, like, for us naman, dream na naman is to be able to enter the draft eh. Diba? Makapasok mo ng NPBA, that's a dream already eh. But like, ngayon naman tayong ganitong opportunity na kaya tayo mag-top high pick. Parang grateful na tayo. So, like, parang no pressure. Like, why would you add pressure to yourself, diba? Like, just enjoy it. Diba? Parang ganyan.